Hey everyone, Sam here. We're out here in Joshua Tree, Phil, Will, and I. We are shooting a night photography course for you, and we're really excited to share this with you. It's kind of a new approach. We're out here in the field showing you what we go through when we take our photos. So we're really just going to go over our gear and then jump right into taking photos. And there's a lot of different techniques we want to share with you all. We're on tripods, so obviously the general long exposure, getting the stars, maybe getting some landscapes in there. Alongside that, we have a moon, so we'll be able to do some moon shadow shots, which are really interesting. It makes it look like it's daytime, but you also have the stars in the sky. Also, we have our headlamps, so we're going to be writing some stuff out with our headlamps and getting some cool stuff there. And then also, just playing with it, just seeing some of the different things that comes out when you just get to hang out with friends and take some photos. It should be really easy and really fun. So yeah, let's jump right in.